kitty cat blind box and mushroom blind box. So we're gonna open it. Wait, what did we get? So it says clue there. I think we gotta find it. Oh, it's right there. It's so little. You can't even see on the camera, but it's right there. So yeah, let's open it. I think we need scissors.
Hi, babe. Sorry, late dumating yung service eh. Oh, teka, ano to?
Summons ng korte.
Okay, so now we got the scissors. Now let's open it.
Ano sabi?
Kailangan ko parang bumalik ng Pilipinas para ayusin yan.
Ganun ba?
Yun, pasensya ka na. Pati ikaw nadadami sa problema ko.
Aba, okay lang yun.
Sabagay, narin yung pagkakataon natin para makabalik ng Pilipinas. Sasamahan mo ba ako?
Oo naman.
Hello? Hello, Maring Luz. Oo, si Lorena to. Hinihiram ko lang yung cellphone ni Madel. Mare, sobrang kipil ko kasi ngayon. Walang-wala ako. Kung pwede sana manghiram ng... Hello? Hello?
Mami, nagutom na po ako. Come on!
Uwi na tayo.
This is really hard to open.
Manang, mabuti pa. Sabayan niyo na kami.
Ay, sige po, sir. Kain na po kayo. Masarap po yung inihanda ko. Paborito niyo po yan. Mabuti naman, sir. Naisama niyo dito si Ma'am Julie sa bakasyon niyo.
Oh,
Ako,
how do you
Julie
open
na lang
this?
po.
Oh, Manang, may tao yata sa labas. Pakitingnan na ako.
Sandali lang po, sir. Thank you, babe. Sir Oliver.
Oh, Manang. Adel! Lorena.
Oliver, hindi ako pumunta dito para manggulo. Sinasauli ko lang si Madel kasi... alam kong mas
let's go.
maaalagaan mo siya.
Let's see.
At pambibigyan mo siya ng magandang buhay.
What's this? Name mushroom
Hindi ka
you
gaya.
want? So I want a teddy bear mushroom or a kawaii mushroom. And my name is Cassie. Let's see what we got. What is
Ano?
this? Come on. Just happened. So this is a mushroom laptop. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so this is the mushroom laptop. So yeah, it says mushroom laptop. And then you can like press it on the laptop. So what is this? So let's see, let's
Kahit
open
paano na
it.
lang sa anak natin.
Wait, come on. This is what we got.
Oliver ang dating asawang si Lorena sa kanyang mga pagkakamali. Naisip niya, mabuti na rin yun para tuluyan na siyang makapag-move on
Let's see
at
what this.
makapagsimula na isang bagong buhay kasama si Julie, na handa namang tumayong pangalawang ina para sa kanyang anak na si Madel.
Tsaka pag nakaipon na po ako, bibilihin ko na laruan na gusto ko.
Tama yan. Dahil mas
Oh,
maraming magandang
okay.
bagay kaysa sa luho.
I don't need to tell you that.
Marami pa yan. Kunin natin para sa future mo.
Okay?
A kawaii mushroom. Oh my god, yes, we got the kawaii mushroom. Okay, so yeah, we're done with that one. And then let's go on with the kitty cat.
Ng maraming pagkakataon para
I think we
marating
should
natin
open it
ang
from the
sarili nating
side.
tadhana. Magandang
Let's
hapon,
see,
ako
what
po
do you
si
want?
Marian Rivera.
Common, uncommon, rare, legendary. So I'm gonna do this in a short, or maybe now. I'm going to open it now because I'm really excited. Come, come,
Wait, Edison, that's not right. When you multiply 36 by 2, you multiply 6 and 2 first. That's 12. But you carry over 1, and then you multiply 3 and 2. That's 3 times 2 is 6. And then plus 1 equals 72. So 36 times 2 is 72.
Okay, so I'm gonna.
No,
Oh, it
that's
already
not
has my
traditional
name on
way,
it.
ah.
You got it? Oh my god, I'm so sorry about it. Right name, so it says right name right there. We don't need to write our name. Let's see what is this.
muna, magbibente muna ng isda sa Maria Lassen.
What's that? Let's see what I got. So it says you got rare. Oh my god, rare. Let's go, guys.
Hi guys! Good morning! What a beautiful day guys! Dahil grabe po talaga ang blessing sa harapan po natin. Sobrang daming pong
Oh my
isda.
god, so
na
I'm hoping
na-harvest
to
po ni
get
Kuya
a donut
Junjun. Dahil
kitty.
Kuya Junjun, siya ay
So
tuwag-wag.
this is the
So actually guys, in-harvest po ito kaninang umaga ni Kuya Junjun. At
like
sobrang dami po
I
talaga.
picked the
grabe.
donut kitty.
Sari-sari po. Ayan.
So yeah, you can just pick right there. I picked the donut kitty, which is at the bottom here. Let's see what I
Na ano to? Yung bunga,
Ay, donut
napakagandang
kitty.
quality ng isda natin ngayon dahil hindi ko po talaga
What
pinapana
is
kay Kuya
this?
Junjun. Dahil pag pinana siya, minsan
What is
may
this,
mga
guys?
customer nagre-reklamo bakit ang laki
It
ng
has a hole
suga.
in it.
Mix na po to, meron pong maliliit.
Oh, I think
dahil
you're
yung
supposed
isda
to put
talaga,
your
pag pumasok mo
finger
sa
in
busod, ganun na talaga, sapyawin na po talaga lahat, kaya hindi mo maiwasan. May mga maliliit.
Oh my
But
god, there's
please,
a
guys,
hole in it.
magbibenta
I
po
can't
ngayon
put
si
my
Maria
finger
Lassen ulit sa
because the
Barrio
hole is
dahil
too small.
para makapambili po tayo ng
So
pambigas,
let's
diba sir?
go.
So, isi-separate lang po namin ni Kuya Junjun yung malalaki na isda para iba yung price, isn't it, Kuya Junjun? Tsaka yung maliliit,
Oh my god,
iba yung
yes.
price.
We got
Since wala po
a
dito si David, yung
Cyber
family ko,
kitty.
hindi po sila dito. Yung iba nasa inside, nahihiya po sa
This is
camera.
so cute.
But yes,
So
separate po
yeah,
natin
I
Kuya
just
Junjun
wanted to
tong
show you my new
maliliit sa
bracelets
malalaki.
and my necklace.
Hmm?
I made it.
Walay natin mga
So just so you know, I made it. So yeah, I love the
Yeah,
kitty
yeah, there's
blind
two
bag.
boxes
I
there
love it.
that
I
you have to
loved it.
separate the big and small. Kami po ditong isda.
And this mushroom laptop and kawaii mushroom
what?
and yeah.
Okay.
So that was all.
Mhm.
So yeah,
Nalutuin
that was
talaga yan sa mga
all. So
magbibili sa Best
we're going to throw this away and yeah.
Yeah. Sa dalawang
I
box
really
dito, guys,
love
na dalawang
the
baklad.
kitty
May isang
one.
baklad na malapit.
It was so
Ang malayo
cute.
nandoon. So, yung iba,
So yeah, I have
sa
a
isang baklad, yung iba naman sa
mushroom
pangalawang
laptop.
baklad. Yeah, there you go,
And
this one. Oh, like that. Very good, Sylvester.
I picked a wheel, like I picked the donut kitty
Good
because
job.
I really
You've been
wanted
such a
that.
good boy,
And yeah.
Sylvester.
Oh, I really
Yeah,
wanted
that
the
was good.
flame kitty and the
Careful,
rainbow
ah.
kitty.
Spiky.
But the flame kitty is pretty rare. I mean, the rainbow kitty is
Which one? This one?
the flame kitty is rare, and the legendary is rainbow kitty. But I didn't
That's
get the
yummy.
flame kitty. The rares are flame kitty and
Sort
donut
out
kitty,
muna
and
tayo.
the legendaries are rainbow kitty and yeah, and the
Grabe,
uncommons
uy, mga
are
dalagang bukid na pumasok
backpack
sa
kitty
bukid, guys. Ang lalaki.
and a pillow kitty,
Malaking
and
dalaga.
the
this
common
big one,
art
darling. Yours
is
the small one.
a
We're
just a
sorting
normal
out.
kitty, and kawaii kitty and bed
You're
kitty.
the winner now, huh?
So yeah, I really love the mushroom laptop. It's not the mushroom laptop. Where's the mushroom laptop? Oh, there it is. And then we got this finger thing from the kitty. I love it.
You have to tip.
And then the donut kitty. So yeah, that's all we got.
Can you do it?
And
by
then the
myself?
kawaii
Siya lang ang
mushroom.
magawa.
No, it's stuck. So yeah, I'm going to throw this
That's okay,
all
that's okay.
away.
That's the same.
Yeah.
You know,
So
you're
I
being such a
really
good
hope
boy, Sebastian.
You guys
You're helping
like
us.
the fast video. But yeah, I really love the mushroom one and the kitty one. But I really love
Namiss
the
ka na
kitty
po
one
pumunta ng isda ulit sa Barrio
better.
Barrio.
So yeah.
Kung nandito yun si David, sasama yun. Pero, nandito sa story nila. On the other side,
Okay. Okay.
Oh, be careful. Alam mo kaya, Oh, stop.
So, yeah.
Make this spike.
That is all we got. So I'm gonna show you all we got.
Oo.
This mushroom laptop.
Yeah. Yes, we can.
Look at these little fishes play.
Kitty donut.
Mix kasi yung
Finger
mga
thingy.
size.
Oh yeah, I forgot to trim this.
Minsan lang to guys.
So I only got
makakuha kami ng madami
3.
talaga.
Oh my god.
Dahil
1, 2, 3,
kaninang
4.
umaga, itulog nga ako kanina. Si Junjun, maaga pa nang
Oh, we got
mag-harvest pa.
5. Yay.
Paunahan yung mga, you know. So,
Okay.
well, in the last few days,
So
parang
since I
habagat.
know we got
Umamit
5,
na panahon. Yan ang gusto ng bungsod. Parang dinadala yung mga isda sa aming bungsod. Kaya minsan lang talaga, mahal po magkaroon ng bungsod.
you know what's my
Pero
favorite?
hindi po talaga everyday
like
makakajakpat kayo
the
kung magkaroon
the
kayo ng
laptop
bungsod. Minsan, wala
from
mo
the
siya nakuha.
mushroom
Pero for sure
and
naman,
this.
meron
I
talaga
love
tag isang
this.
kilo, 2 kilo.
Even though it's just a
A
list.
goldfish?
Like a gold. Like a shining. Shining fish, mommy.
Yeah.
Can you
Yun
go
nga.
mommy?
Wala na po yung isang box natin. Ito po. Ito po yung good size natin. Yan.
Nakatingko na
So
daw
ito
si
guys,
mama.
yung nahuli nating isda, malapit po ng 2 box. We sort
Mama,
out
hindi pa rin
yung
tinatay
medyo maliit
yung
lang at saka ito yung malalaki. So guys, itong malalaki, ibebenta po natin to ng tag 120 pesos ang kilo. At ito naman yung hindi kalakihan, yung mga ganito lang yung size. Ibenta po natin ito ng tag 80 ang kilo.
Okay, so we can
Ayan,
put
para
some
guys,
of these
affordable lang
here.
siya. At mabilis lang po maubos ang ating isda. Mamayang hapon, ibebenta po natin to. Maya-maya ay pupunta po kami ngayon sa Del Carmen para makabenta po doon ng isda. So, kailangan namin siya. Sylvester! Are you excited? We're going to Del Carmen. Mami gonna sell fish. And the beach. Gusto niya sa beach. Pacifico. Ayan. Okay. Let's go. Benta po tayo ng isda. Lalagay na po nila doon sa bangka para makapunta tayo agad sa Del Carmen at makabili po ng ice. My God, mabigat. Oh, watch out. Lagay na nila si Bester, look. The box, that's very heavy. Oops. Mabigat talaga pag isang box na isda. Ingat, ingat. Oops. There we go.
And then this
Ayan.
laptop.
Yeah, we're going to Del Carmen. Don't worry. Yan po, kahirap. Ilagay ang isang box na isda sa bangka. one, last
The
one.
laptop.
Yeah, that's the last one, Sylvester. That's the last one. Then, excited na si Sylvester pumunta sa Del Carmen. I would love to help, but there's nothing I can do.
I'm going to
Sobrang
fold
bigat mong
it so I
lalaking
can
trabaho.
fit.
Grabe yung bangka natin, no? Yung ano, tugog.
So yeah, that's all I can fit in the kitty list and a kitty pocket.
Nag-overloaded agad yung
So it's
bangka. Hindi mga kami
basically a
nakasakay.
Pocket.
Saan yan ilalagay? Diyan lang, sa front. Come on! Yeah, very good. Okay, careful, ha? Go. Good job. And let's go. Yes, darling, I'm coming. Bye-bye, bungsod muna. Magbibenta muna ng isda si Maria Lassen. Bye-bye muna, bungsod. Maghanap buhay muna si Maria Lassen.
Take the little one.
Yeah. Sasakay na kami ng bangka on the way to Del Carmen.
On the way to the beach.
Yeah, on the way to the beach kasi palagi siya dinadala ni David doon sa Del Carmen muna, darling. Sa Del Carmen muna dahil magbabenta ng isda si Mami. Mommy's going to sell fish. Yeah, so I can earn money.
So that is all we have. It's all in this. Bye guys.